Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
If you're seeing error code 4-0xFF0BE2C when playing Rainbow Six Siege on your PlayStation 5, you're definitely not alone. This particular code often points to a network connection issue, preventing you from joining matches or connecting to servers properly. But don't worry, these common problems usually have straightforward solutions, and we're here to help you get back into the action very quickly. Let's start with the simplest fixes first. Begin by completely closing Rainbow Six Siege, then simply relaunch the game. If that doesn't work for you, give your PlayStation 5 a full restart. Power it down completely, wait about 30 seconds, then turn it back on. These basic steps can often resolve temporary communication errors and get you connected smoothly again. If the error persists, it's time to check your network. First, make sure your internet connection is stable and working fine on other devices. Then, restart your home router, unplug it for about 60 seconds, then plug it back in. A fresh router connection can work wonders. If you're currently on Wi-Fi, consider temporarily using an Ethernet cable for a more stable connection, just to see if that helps. Next, let's look at the game itself. It's always a good idea to check the official Rainbow Six Siege server status online. Sometimes, the problem isn't on your end at all. You should also ensure your game is fully updated. Check for any available updates on your PlayStation 5. As a last resort, if nothing else works, you might need to try reinstalling the entire game. This can resolve any corrupted game files. For a more advanced step, consider changing your PlayStation 5's DNS settings to Google DNS or OpenDNS. This can sometimes improve connection stability. If you've tried all these steps and the error remains, your best bet is to contact Ubisoft support directly. Provide them with the error code and all the troubleshooting you've already completed. They can offer more personalized assistance to get you back online quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.